Get the Diaper Genie Essentials Round Refill Pack of 4, a baby registry essential that holds up to 1280 newborn diapers, ensuring fewer trips to the trash. Trap stinky odors with the odor-locking barrier technology of the durable multi-layer film, keeping your infant nursery fresh and clean. Only genuine Diaper Genie refills are compatible with Diaper Genie Complete and Expressions pails, offering ultimate odor control for your convenience. Join over 2 million parents who trust the Diaper Genie brand, making our pails and refills a perfect baby shower or registry gift. Proudly made in North America, our refills are manufactured in Canada, setting us apart from other refill brands with quality and care. Ensure you have the essential nursery item with the Diaper Genie Essentials Round Refill Pack of 4, providing value and convenience for new parents. Say goodbye to stinky odors in the nursery with the continuous film technology of the Diaper Genie Essentials Round Refill Pack, a must-have for baby care. Keep your baby's nursery fresh and odor-free with the Diaper Genie Essentials Round Refill Pack of 4, designed for compatibility with Diaper Genie Complete and Expressions pails.